Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to go ahead and plant these collard greens. These are Georgia collards. I seeded them 6 weeks ago. So I want to go ahead and plant them in. Uh, I'll I'll plant them around this peach tree. I have another tree. I've already planted some. So these are 8. I'll plant 8 around here. I've already planted 8 around the other bed. So I'll start by first laying them out. Trying to get as much intact root as I can. And I'm using this tool. It works really well to scoop out seedlings. So this one scoops out the whole thing, which is good. Okay, so I've laid them out. Now I'll start planting them in. Okay. And to plant them in, I'll put compost. This is homemade compost. And I'll also add in some garden tone, which is just some organic fertilizer. So even though the seedlings are very young, they shouldn't burn from the fertilizer and from the compost. The compost is really aged well, and the organic fertilizer is a slow release, so it shouldn't burn the seedlings. Okay. So these are the last two. So between the compost and the garden ton, these seedlings should be well fed for a few months. So this bed also has peppers. I'll also plant some onions in this bed. But around the peach tree, it will be these collard greens. Before I water them, I'll show you the other side of the bed where I planted collard greens back in February. It's now September. So these are the old collard greens that were planted at the beginning of the gardening season. So I've been feeding from these for the past 6 months, 6 to 7 months, and they're still producing. In the summer they had reduced a little bit, but they've picked back up. So I'll probably go ahead and fertilize them and just keep them going. So that's the goal, to have that at the side of the bed like this, productive like this. And the peppers, they're tiny little peppers. They're right here. You can see that's a pepper right here. I planted these last week, and there is the collard green. So I'll go ahead and water them, and that should be it for today. So these are dianthus. They were planted last year. In my zone, they are a perennial. They're not an annual. So I've cut them back so that they can start growing again for the fall season. So in a few weeks, they'll be back blooming again. So they grow pretty well around here. Okay, they've been watered in, so now I'll just keep an eye on them, see how they grow. And with that, I'll stop right here. I'll give you an update in a few weeks once they've established. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.